Today on How to Adult, we're going to talk about how to wash the exterior of your car. Here in Missoula, Montana, and probably many other places, it only really takes one spring day of parking under a tree to trigger the sticky pollen-aphid poopocalypse. And if you're extra lucky, the birds will have also generously fertilized your windshield, or maybe a massive forest fire contributed to a chunky layer of tree ash on your auto. But even if you're driving around in like a pristine, beautiful, empty world with no birds or plant life or forest fires, your car is shedding little bits of itself onto itself in dust form. There is no way to keep things clean in this world. We're just gonna have to go around cleaning and organizing until the heat death of the universe. But that's okay, because on a hot sunny day, cleaning your car's exterior is one of the more entertaining cleaning endeavors to take on. The first choice you're gonna make on the road to a sparkly clean car is whether you're gonna do it yourself or go to an automated car wash. An automated car wash is gonna be the fastest route, and the latest car washes are very good at avoiding scratching paint. From an environmental angle, they're required to send your oily, soapy water to a water treatment facility, and they often use less water than a hand wash. They're also kind of magical. Like if there were a service that dragged me through a soapy hurricane of white noise every evening, I would consider that. However, there are reasons to hand wash as well. This video would be awfully short if there weren't. Hand washing gives you more control. If you know there's a sweet decal on the side of your truck that might come off, if you've got specific products that you love, or you're worried about getting little swirl marks from a bad automatic car wash, then you should consider hand washing. It's also a good group activity. If an automatic wash can be a lonely magical hurricane, a hand wash can be a party. And finally, depending on how often you do it and how affordable your tastes are, hand washing can save you money. So assuming you want to hand wash, first take care not to let your contaminated water run into storm drains or water sources. It can be easy to take clean drinking water for granted when it magically appears from the tap, but holy crap, is it important to protect our water sources if we're gonna survive as a species. Park your car in grass or some gravel away from any storm drains, and at the end of your wash, pour dirty water from your bucket into the toilet. Consider buying eco-friendly soap and a nozzle to put on your hose to waste less water. You can also kind of go halvesies and go to a coin-operated car wash. This has the benefit of using the least amount of water, according to a 2002 report for the International Car Wash Association, which is apparently a thing, and you don't have to worry about where your water is going. Now for the actual car washing part, turn up the tunes and start with the wheels. Fill up one clean bucket with water and either tire cleaner or a gentle dish soap, or purchase a spray-on wheel cleaner. Fill another clean bucket with water to rinse with. Grab a tire brush or a cloth dedicated to tires. Your tires are gonna be super dirty, so you don't wanna use the same cloth on your tires as on the body of your car. Then spray down your first wheel with pressurized water to rinse off brake dust and grime. Take your brush or cloth and destroy that dust with your mighty car washing muscles. Take care to rinse off your brush or cloth in the rinsing bucket when it gets too dirty, and change that rinsing water when that gets too dirty, cause it's gonna get dirty. Rinse off your soap and dry with a microfiber cloth, chamois, or soft terry cloth towel. And repeat until all your tires are sparkly. Now for the main event. Washing the body and the chrome. Clean out the buckets you used for your tires and prepare them with car shampoo and water for the wash bucket and just water for the rinse bucket. Grab some car mitts, chamois, or microfiber cloths for washing, and microfiber cloths, chamois, or terry cloth towels for drying. The car is generally dirtier at the bottom. Also, you want the dirt to fall downwards. So you clean up here, push the dirt down. So start at the top, work your way down. Begin by giving your car a thorough rinse with water from your hose or coin-op sprayer to get rid of some of that initial loose dirt. You want to eliminate as much of the grittiness as possible to avoid scratching your paint. Then use the 2-bucket technique to soap up small overlapping sections of the car, taking care to rinse out the dirt after each section. Repeat that whole car rinse to wash off the soapy mixture. If you're looking for a particularly deep clean, maybe you're about to sell your car, you just want to impress the world, you can repeat the soap and rinse steps. Finally, dry off your car. Air drying will result in water spots, so use a cloth if you want it to look super nice, which I assume you do, because you're washing your car. Clean your headlights. If your car's a little older, a little long in the tooth, a little gray around the temples, your headlights might not be all they used to be. And while cleaning the body of your car feels nice and looks good, having bright headlights might be the difference between you seeing or not seeing something in the road, and that's important. After you've washed and dried them in the previous step, mask off the surrounding area with masking tape. You're going to be buffing the headlight with toothpaste, which is a gritty substance. There's actually like little rocks, tiny like pieces of sand in toothpaste, and we've been avoiding rubbing grit on the car all of our previous steps. Then add a glob of toothpaste to a damp cloth and buff the plastic in a circular motion until you've seen some improvement. Now that your car is a beautiful, shining metallic cuboid on the outside, check out our automotive playlist to learn how to clean the interior of your car, do some basic maintenance, and many more things auto. Now for the actual washing part, turn up the tunes and start the wheels. Oh. Turn up the tunes and just drive the car into a lake. Grab some car mitts, chamois. Chamois. Is that? I'm not really sure how to say that word. A moist chamois. There's something else. There's something else there. Oh, the ShamWow. Because it's a chamois, and this was the ShamWow. SHAM.
What?
Did you say chamois?
Yeah.
Jay said chamois. I gotta fix something. I said that wrong before. Working this. What's this called again, Sarah? Oh, okay. Your headlights might not be well. Oh. I felt good about that.